Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to change card on Doordash. So let's get into the video. So open up your Doordash app and then log into your account. So if you have an account, just log into your account. You need to log into your account so that you can uh, change your card details. So once you're done with that, so you've logged in here, simply go to your account option here on your top, click on your account, and then here under account, you'll see an option called payment method. So click on the payment methods, and then here if you want to change your card, so what you can do, you can simply add your new card. So for example, hit on under add payment method, click on the credit debit card option, simply type in your new card details and then hit on add card, and then you can add this card. Your card will be under the saved method, so that's you have added the card. And then if you want to change your current card or something, for example, your current one is here, I have a Visa card here, and if you want to, you can, what you can do, you can simply delete that. If you don't want to use that, you can just swipe to your left and you'll be able to delete it. So hit on the delete button and that's it. You can delete that card option. So that's how you can change your card on DoorDash. It's pretty easy. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.